So this next one's solving simultaneously. I'll let you do it, and then if you need a hand, let me know.
Okay. Should I do the substitution or elimination?
Okay, cool. So for this
Which one was easier again? Remember we went through them. Which one was easier for us?
We found the elimination one easiest.
Yeah, that was it.
But I think for this one, the substitution might be easiest. Just because it's already, because if we were to do the elimination, we'd have to rearrange it so y and x are on the same side, so we can cross one out. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Remember how we did that? But this one here, it already has y by itself. So you can sub the 3y, just make it 3 bracket x plus 5 bracket minus x, because it's already, the y is already alone. So it's easy just to sub the x plus 5 as y in here. Does that make sense?
Kind of, yeah.
I don't know how to explain it better.
No, it's okay. I'll do it and see if I get it wrong or right.
Okay. But, yeah, if the x and y were on the same side, do elimination. But if one of them's by themselves, do substitution.
Okay. Okay, wait. So I leave the y equals x plus 5.
Wait, what have you got? Can you show me quickly?
Oh, no, I just wrote the question down. I'm trying to figure out, like...
Oh, okay, cool.
Do I leave the y equals x plus 5?
Yeah. And then in the second equation, the 3y,
yeah,
you can sub the y as x plus 5.
Okay. So 3 bracket x plus 5 bracket.
Yeah, minus x. Yeah.
Okay. Minus x equals 7.
Yeah. Yeah. And then like expand it out and solve.
Would it be 3x plus 15?
Yeah. Yeah.
Then minus x?
Yeah.
Equals 7?
Yeah.
Do I need to be doing anything to the other equation?
No.
Okay.
No. Not yet. Not yet.
Okay. Then do I go... do I minus x from 3x?
Yeah. Yeah. 100%.
So it becomes just 3?
It would become 2x.
2x? Okay.
Yeah.
And then plus 15 again equals 7?
Yep.
Then do I plus 15 and 2x?
No. So
do I move the 15 to the other side?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, cool. And turn it into a minus?
Yeah.
Seven minus 15?
Yep. Yep.
And then 2x equals negative 8?
Yeah. 2x equals negative 8.
Then what do I do?
So now you're just trying to get x to be by itself.
Do I move it to the other side now? Do I move 2?
Yeah, take the 2 over.
Okay.
To the other side. And so what?
And does it become minus or divide?
It becomes division. Yeah. So just -8 divided by 2.
Okay. X equals -8 divided by 2. So x equals -4?
Yep.
And then I put that into the other equation?
Yeah. And so now you're just trying to find what y equals.
Got it. So next equation is y equals -4 plus 5.
Yep.
And then do I just figure that out?
Yep. Yep.
So y equals 1?
Yeah. And then your final answer would just be to put them in the brackets.
Got it. So I do the therefore. Which one goes first again? Is it x?
Yeah, x first.
Okay. So I'll flip the camera and show you. Can you see that?
Yes. Yeah. And then
okay, cool.
So I wrote these equations on here just to explain like when to use the elimination and when to use the substitution. Does that make sense?
Okay, yeah.
So for this one on this side, I'll use a different color. I'll use red. See how the x and y are both on the same side of the equal?
Yeah.
And so it would be easy just to make them both equal to 6. So then like times this by 2 and times this by 3. Do you remember how you did that? You times them all and then minus or plus them to get, so that one's easy to do the elimination because they're both on the same side. Whereas on this one over here, I did it in green, y is by itself, but on here we have 3y minus x. So if we were to try and make them like the red ones, you'd have to like add x over to this side. So you could do it. You could have y minus x equals 5 and then times this one by 3 to get 15. 15 and then elimination. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Because now you've got the same on both sides. But we already had just the y by itself.
Yeah.
And so it was easy just to sub the x and the 5 into the y. Does that make sense? So that's the difference between the two. Like you can easily make this one substitution if you wanted to, just by making one of them by themselves.
Yeah.
But to do this one as elimination, you just have to do an extra step. Does that make sense? And so it'd be easier just to sub. Yeah. Cool.
So green is like elimination.
The one we just did this side was substitution. But down the bottom here, what I did down here, that was making it elimination.
Okay.
We use these two.
Because you're eliminating because you're getting the same numbers on the red side. Got it. No, I get it.
Yeah, cool.